this is Marianne from Colorantic. So today the product I want to talk to you about is our glaze. At Colorantic we have 4 different colors of glaze. We have the clear window glaze that is translucent, transparent. We also have a white cloud glaze which give a shabby chic look effect. We have a brown chocolate cake glaze, and we also have a gray kitten glaze. So what you can do with glaze is, a glaze is like a stain. So you can see the wood through or the color through. If you mix our 3 different pre-mixed color, the white, the brown, and the gray, you can get like a barn style effect. For the clear glaze, what you can do, many people use the clear glaze instead of a varnish because it's more eco-friendly. It doesn't have alcohol, and it's very commonly used in kitchens for kitchen cabinets. The kitchen cabinets and bathroom cabinets becomes more washable. So you can add a 16-ounce jar into a gallon, and then you'll be able to paint walls, doors, and kitchen cabinets, for example. So we also have a glitter at Colorantic. You can see it on my little crate here, what I did. So what you can do with the clear glaze is you mix 1 part of clear glaze and also some of the glitters. We have 4 different colors. So what you can do is you mix them and then you just apply over the paint or on raw wood. So that's what you can do. There's many possibilities with our glazes, and that is wonderful. If you try it, you'll be able to test it. So have a great day, and don't forget that we have a wonderful blog on our website, and we have many other blogs written about the glazes, and you can take a peek. And also don't be shy, you can always call us. We have a team at Colorantic that can answer your questions. And I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.